This is Asif Bilal. Very nice to meet you, sir. Sir, may I please?
Please.
Sir, actually, first time I came here and I see you. I heard that he is a mayor of this village. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
So I have lots of issues here, but actually I would like to say that our first issue is of water here.
Water? No problem. Short problem. Smart problem. Country, come here. Yalla, sandalala. Nazim Saiji. Goal is the opponent of Tina. 2 by 2 bar. 1 bar Lambilling and 1 bar in Billing.
There are also washing problem here.
Oh, what? In Billing problem in Billing. Good.
What do you say, sir? I can understand.
I understand. Go to Mara kansan tak kamano din. Na English dito kaya, damang marunong da ka ba kay. Kaya na?